Hey, what's up guys? So today we're here at Preston Village at Cadence by Lennar. Now this community just opened up. Now we are here today. We're going to be checking the Hamilton floor plan, which is a 2-story with an RV garage. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Preston Village at Cadence by Lennar Homes. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here 25 minutes, 30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. So we're here in Cadence. Cadence is a beautiful master plan community. It's actually the most affordable master plan community here in Las Vegas. Now, it has a bunch of amenities, okay? It has parks. You have a swimming pool here. You have splash pads, bunch of amenities, great for families. Now I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Okay, so now the Prestons are gonna have different communities, a bunch of communities with Lennar, but we're gonna go over at the Village. Now the Village has 2 floor plans that they offer here. They're gonna offer the Kennedy and the Hamilton. So one's a single story, the other's a 2-story, both with RV garages. Okay. Now the base prices are gonna range from $649,990 all the way up to $689,990. Okay, so out the door, the prices are going to be about like $700,000 to $750,000. Now the way Lennar works, guys, is whenever you look at that base price, there are some upgrade options that you can do. The optional upgrades is going to be like cabinets. You could add cabinets in different areas, the colored cabinets, the countertop, the flooring, the backsplash. That's going to be added to the base price. Okay, they're also going to have spec homes as well. So spec homes, they could be ready in as soon as like a month, couple of weeks to 2 months. But if you want to pick out your options, then you're probably better going with a home that's going to be built a little bit later on. Now, as far as the HOA goes, the HOA here is going to be $103 a month. That's all the information I have. So let's get started with the tour. All right, everyone, welcome to the Hamilton floor plan. Now, the Hamilton floor plan, this is going to be the largest home in this community. Okay, so this is going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-story, 3.5 bath, 2,665 square feet, and the base price as of today is $689,990. Okay. So in that base price, there are a few things you can do to upgrade. For example, in these models, you could definitely add some cabinets, flooring, countertop, backsplash. Those are all upgrade options. Everything else that you'll see in there, as far as like, you know, the doorknobs, you know, like where the electricals, those are going to be standard. Okay, so those are just going to already come with the home. Okay, no additional modifications. But yeah, let's check it out. Nice 2-story with an RV garage. Okay, so the RV garage is going to be 14 feet high. And again, just depending on where you end up in the process, because right now they do have a spec home. So a spec home is a quick move-in home. So they have a Hamilton priced at $740,000. If you want to pick out your options, then you'd have to, you know, choose a Hamilton that they're probably like 4 or 5 months away from being completed. It's definitely a nice floor plan. I just toured it right before I turned on this video. Okay, so welcome in. This is what you see as soon as you walk in. So immediately you have the living room. Okay, you have this nice little area right here for the mirror. Now, if you look up, high ceilings. Okay, this is what I love to see. So you get the living room here, you're gonna have the kitchen, the dining room. Okay, and then you also have 2 bedrooms. This is gonna be like the loft upstairs. Now your primary bedroom is gonna be all the way in that corner, and then you'll have another bedroom here. Okay, so 2 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom downstairs, and then 2 bedrooms upstairs. So for most of their spec homes, what they're gonna do is they're gonna remove all the carpet from the first floor and upgrade it to, you know, flooring like this. Okay. Even if you build from lot up, most likely you're going to at least do that flooring where you're gonna remove the carpet. Okay, so welcome to the beautiful kitchen. And now this kitchen right here, you do have cabinets underneath. Now this is the Calcutta quartz. Okay, so the Calcutta quartz, this is gonna be one of their higher tier quartz. And as you can see, it has the waterfall finish. So that is optional as well. And right over here, looks like they went ahead and took the countertop and made it the backsplash, which is really nice. Okay. So you have your pantry here. Now at first glance, it looks a little small, but then come over here and yes, you have much more space. Cool, so you have extra room right in here as well. Some storage. Okay. Now with all Lennar Homes, as far as what you see for the doors, you're gonna get like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panel doors. Okay, gonna be 8 foot high, and then this is the hardware that you're gonna get right here. Now, as far as the cabinets go, I believe the cabinets are standard. Okay, I'm not entirely sure if the pulls are included. I think they are. Now, also what is included is you're gonna have the GE appliance package. So I believe this is the GE dishwasher. Now right here, it looks like we do have the double oven. That might be an upgrade package as well, the profile GE. But yeah, I mean, if you're curious, just let me know. I'll find out all the information for you, okay? Okay, nice, so it vents outwards. Cool. So, it's a nice, beautiful microwave. All right, so it looks right here, you have the GE refrigerator that will be included. Okay. Yeah, so beautiful living area. Okay, also, as you can see here, you got these 2 windows up top, 2 windows down here. You have more windows up there. So, you know, a lot of natural light that's gonna come inside the house. Okay, now I think this is locked, but this model home does have a pool. Looks like they built a pool in the backyard, which is nice. I'm not too sure exactly what the average lot square footage is, but again, just reach out to me. I'll find that out for you. So right over here, you'll have this is gonna be your powder room, okay? So you'll have your quartz countertop. Everything you're seeing here is pretty much standard. Okay, except for the flooring right there. And you do have the laundry room. Now, as you can see, the washer and dryer are optional. Okay, as well as these cabinets, but it looks like you will get this sink in here. Okay, right here, you're gonna have your smart panel box. That's to where you set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, and then you'll have a bedroom right here. Okay, with this full bath, so that's really nice. Okay, so both bedrooms downstairs. Now, this is not even the primary bedroom. This is just one of your guest bedrooms, okay? The 2 bedrooms upstairs are gonna share a Jack and Jill bath. So this is the walk-in closet. Yeah, so definitely really nice. So these right over here are optional as well. Okay, some upgrade options for you. So right here, this is the RV garage, but it is locked. Okay, so this is going to be the dimensions. So 14 foot tall, 18 feet wide. Okay. Right. So we got the primary bedroom in here. So we got the primary bath. Okay, so dual sinks, quartz countertop. You got the shower, walk-in shower right in the middle. Okay, massive, pretty good sized walk-in closet right here. Okay, so you got some good space. This beautiful flooring right here. You got the tile surround as well. Okay, so I'll head up to the second floor. Now, if you guys are watching this and you guys are interested in new construction homes, you've been thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be honored to go with you on your very first visit. You know, if you're using a realtor, make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You definitely want to make sure you have representation. If you go to the new build community for your very first time, the builder is going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that, they won't let you have representation. And the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So definitely important to, you know, get yourself some representation, okay? So this is the bedroom right here. Now again, they have a Jack and Jill. So the Jack and Jill, each bedroom is going to have its own sink, okay? So it's going to have its own sink and walk-in closet. But what's going to be shared is this right here. So the toilet and the shower tub combo, the fiberglass, that's going to be shared. Okay, so this is going to be the sink, bedroom, and then you have the closet right here. Okay. Okay, so great size loft. All right. Cool, and that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you guys have any questions or if you need help during this new construction home buying process, give me a call. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.